Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. So if you are watching this channel for the first time and you have not yet subscribed, please kindly help us subscribe to this channel, and you can help us to like and comment on this video. You will find this so very useful for you, and you can also join our Telegram group to always have access to every daily trade. We always analyze every daily trade with our best indicator. So I promise you guys that I'm going to make a video on boom 500, which is here. You see, it's already in positive, which is 0.65 at this level. That means the market is going on a uptrend. So there's always a secret to all this. So is there always a secret to all this? There's always a secret to all this. You see, it's giving us a negative on here, and it's giving us a positive. So there, but this is not what I make on this video. So we are going to be talking on boom 500. I promise you guys that I'm going to release boom 500 for those who like to trade on boom 500. So with this strategy, you can make a lot of cash on the market. So we have a lot of cash on market. You just take up your own cash. We have a lot. If you make millions on markets, it is yours. So you just go up there, then set up an account. Try this on demo accounts, then set it up on your real account. So let me first show you the settings of this chart. Let me show you the settings. So on my main chart, I have two moving average. The first moving average is the period of 10. I have shift to be -5. I have method to be linear weight. I have apply to close. You just screenshot it, press on done. Then the second moving average, I don't want this video to be too long. Screenshot it, period of 7, shift of 5, linear weights, apply to close. I have my color. You can also choose any color of your choice. You press on done. Then you go to indicator window 1, which is very important now. Then we have the average directional movement index. Now we have the period of 10. You see all my style now is in white color because I have my background to be in white. So if you are using black background, you can also choose all this color to be black color. So we have different level here. We have 50, we have 95, we have 35, we have 5. So by doing this, you press on done. Then we have the second thing there, which is the moving average, the period of 10, shift to be 0, and methods to be linear weight, and we have apply to close. Then we have black as a color here. You press on done. Then we have the last indicator here, which is a parabolic sax. We have step to be 0.05, we have maximum to be 0.05, and we have any color. You can also add any color here. Then you press on done. Then you have that on your chart. So what is the first thing you need to do? I explained it in the first two videos. That first make sure that your chart is in the last zone here. You see, you can control this on your phone, so you can just adjust it to the last zone here. So when you adjust it to the last zone here, it helps you to identify your resistance zone and your support zone. You see now, it also helps you to identify a lot of fake trade in the market. You see now, this particular trade now, we always think that this trade is in 5 level, but it is a lie. When you check it now, you see that is in 35 level. You see, it's because spike keep on happen here, and when it keep on happen here, you will see it keep on losing its strength. So that's what happened. So but what are you going to be doing at this particular level now? What you are going to be doing on this particular level now is you are going to be checking your moving average. I have my moving average to be in black color here. So you are going to be checking this moving average. You are going to be checking this moving average, which is this. You are going to be checking this moving average, which is this, from the beginning of this chart to the end of this chart. If it still remain on that spot, then it is original trade for you to take. If it still remain on that spot, it is original trade for you to take. Let me show you an example of what I really mean on this. You see now, let's check this particular zone. Now let's check this. You see that when I move it from the beginning to the what, to the end, it still remain on that what, on that particular spot. It still remain on that particular spot. So what you need to do after you confirm that particular zone, you confirm this particular zone, then you need to confirm this zone too. You need to confirm it also. So you have to have the 2 9 to cross. What you're going to do is to first identify that particular zone. You see, first identify it. This is the first moving average for you to check. When it crosses this particular trade, you are not going to talk. You are not going to enter the trade, but you are waiting until this particular thing cross each other. Because according to my research, this moving average is speed more faster than this moving average. So it's speed more faster than this. So what you are going to do is when this moving average cross this trade, you are going to count out, if you are going to count out 4 trade, which is 1 2 3 4 4. You see, we have counted the 4. You see, this is the 4th trade, and this will be your what, your entry. So before, by this entry now, you will have this crossing line here on this 4th. You will have this crossing line on this 4th. So on this 4th now, so this will be your entry. You just take 10 candle every time, then out of the market. Out of the market, you just take 10 candle every time. So you can just count it from here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see, so this will be your what, your exit plan. You see, that is how it's working every time. So if you take up to this 20 times in a day, then you are out of the market. Or anytime, anywhere you are, it might be work. You just check your phone. When this particular rules and guides what's accurate, then you take up the market. So let's check for a more example now. You see what example of what I'm taking. There may be baby spike, but don't worry, it's going to respect that particular zone. So you see what I really explained to you now. When you check your first window here to what, to identify that zone. Maybe it is fake or it is original. You see, maybe it is fake. We have a lot of fake trade on what, in the market. You just identify it and you are going to be trading successfully every time. So once you identify that particular zone, you move it from the beginning to this last zone, and it still remain on that spot. So what you need to do is to go now is to wait for this particular moving average, which is the red moving average here, to cross away the what, to cross away the trade. Once it's crossed away the trade, then you start your counting, which is 1 2 3 4. So by this 4 now, this will be your what, your entry. So this will be your entry, and you are going to be counting away 10 as your what, as your existing zone. You're going to be taking away your what, your existing zone. So which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see that. So you see a baby spike want to happen here, but it still respect that particular zone. So you are taking away your trade at this level. So you also always set up your stop loss. So your stop loss now might be above this particular level. You see, this is the first trade that you can take it up on this trade. You can take it on this trade. So even if there is a baby spike, it can never reach that particular zone. So instead of it keep on coming down. If you have tried this strategy, you will have understand what I really mean by that. So it happen like that every time. So it happen up to like 10 times. You see, let's confirm maybe this one is what is accurate. You see, they are not accurate. They are not 100% accurate. You see, it shows us that this level is in 95 before. Now is above. It's not even, is above 50 now. So it's not, that one is not it's not accurate, but we are looking for that accurate one. We are looking for that accurate one. You see now, like this, we have 1 year. We have 1 year like this. Let's check, maybe that one is accurate. So let's move it. You see, it's accurate. Let's move it from the beginning to the end. You see that we have it. So that one is accurate. So what you need to do is to identify that particular zone. Wait for your red moving average to what to cross, then you count your what, you count your fourth candle. So this is your fourth candle, you see that, then you exit your market in the 10th candle. So let's count that. So that will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see, this particular zone will be your existing zone, you see. So this is exactly what I'm telling you. You can open up to like 10 trade at a times, then you close it after taking up your what, after taking up your what, your 10 candle. So you just don't waste your time on market, you just take what you want to take out this cash and it is yours. So you see, let's find another one, let's check another one. You see this particular zone now, you see that it is very, very accurate. It is accurate. So all you need to do after you have confirmed that zone is to check this particular zone, then count away your what, your candle, which is 1 2 3 4. So this will be your entry. So before this entry now, you will have having this cross 9, then you what, you enter the market at this level, then you exist your market, at this level, you count away 10 candle. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you exist your market at this level and you set your stop loss above this particular zone, above this zone. Now you see where the the moving average is what, is crossing over the trade. So that's where you place your your stop loss. So don't trade without stop loss. Make sure you guide your what, you guide your money every time. So you see, that's exactly what is happening on Boom 500 every time. So if you are not watching this, if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. And you are not watch my Odwen, which is the Boom 1000 and Crash 1000 video, go and watch it to have full knowledge on how to use this strategy very well. So if you watch all these 4 videos, I believe you will have the full understanding of what I'm really want to pass in this video. And also, you just open a demo account, try it on your demo, and before taking it up on your real accounts, try it on demo for a week. Let's see what the results will be, and if you are very happy with the results, then you can go ahead with the real accounts. And I wish you all good trade. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, please kindly help us to subscribe. You can like and comment on this video, share us your experience with this indicator, and also you can join our Telegram group for daily updates on Boom and Crash. Thanks.